Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Easy English with Jack. Today, we will do a short shadowing practice, something you can do anytime. You can do this if you are busy. You can do this if you have only 5 minutes. You can do this while walking or even before going to sleep. So here is how it works. You listen and speak at the same time. You follow my voice. You repeat what I say. Do not worry about mistakes. Do not try to be perfect. Just speak with me. This practice helps you practice English alone. It shows you many ways to improve speaking, listening, reading, and thinking without a partner. Let's begin. I practice English alone. I practice English alone. Every day I spend time. Every day I spend time. No one is watching. No one is watching. I feel safe here. I feel safe here. I talk to myself. I talk to myself. I describe my room. I describe my room. This is my desk. This is my desk. The lamp is bright. The lamp is bright. My notebook is open. My notebook is open. I write new words. I write new words. I repeat them aloud. I repeat them aloud. I speak slowly first. I speak slowly first. Then faster and clearer. Then faster and clearer. I use my mirror. I use my mirror. I watch my mouth move. I watch my mouth move. I see my expression. I see my expression. I smile while speaking. I smile while speaking. I record my voice. I record my voice. I play it back later. I play it back later. I listen carefully. I listen carefully. I find my mistakes. I find my mistakes. I correct them gently. I correct them gently. I improve next time. I improve next time. I read easy books. I read easy books. I read one page aloud. I read one page aloud. I stop and repeat lines. I stop and repeat lines. I act like the character. I act like the character. I watch short videos. I watch short videos. I pause after each sentence. I pause after each sentence. I shadow the speaker. I shadow the speaker. I copy the rhythm. I copy the rhythm. I copy the intonation. I copy the intonation. I turn off subtitles. I turn off subtitles. I try to understand. I try to understand. I listen again. I listen again. My ears get stronger. My ears get stronger. I narrate my day. I narrate my day. Now I wake up. Now I wake up. I make coffee. I make coffee. The smell is nice. The smell is nice. I walk to the kitchen. I walk to the kitchen. I open the window. I open the window. Fresh air comes in. Fresh air comes in. I tell my story aloud. I tell my story aloud. I use new words. I use new words. I change sentences. I change sentences. I make them longer. I make them longer. I make them shorter. I make them shorter. I practice questions. I practice questions. What time is it? What time is it? Where is my phone? Where is my phone? How do I get there? How do I get there? I answer myself. I answer myself. It is 8 o'clock. It is 8 o'clock. My phone is here. My phone is here. I go by bus. I go by bus. I speak without fear. I speak without fear. No one corrects me. No one corrects me. I learn at my speed. I learn at my speed. I set small goals. I set small goals. 5 minutes today. 5 minutes today. 10 minutes tomorrow. 10 minutes tomorrow. I track my progress. I track my progress. I feel more confident. I feel more confident. I enjoy my practice. I enjoy my practice. Alone time is powerful. Alone time is powerful. I build my skills. I build my skills. I prepare for real talks. I prepare for real talks. I become fluent step by step. I become fluent step by step. I am proud of myself. I am proud of myself. I can practice anywhere. I can practice anywhere. In my room quietly. In my room quietly. While walking outside. While walking outside. Before I sleep. Before I sleep. English grows inside me. English grows inside me. I practice every day. I practice every day. I succeed alone. I succeed alone. Okay, my friends, thank you so much for practicing with me today. You did an amazing job. Shadowing is simple, but it is really powerful. It gives you many tools to practice English effectively when you are alone. Use these ideas every day. Even 5 minutes creates steady improvement. Come back tomorrow. Practice again. Grow again. I'm Jack, and this is Easy English with Jack. Until next time, keep practicing. Keep practicing English alone. Keep growing. Bye for now.